Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As y'all see the title, y'all already know what type of video this is going to be. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to this channel, my name is Moy. The rest of the family is not here, just me alone today in this video, and I might sound a bit stuffy. I've been kind of under the weather lately, but I'll be fine. Anyway, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to click on that notification bell that you will be notified every time we upload a video. And if you haven't subscribed as yet guys, please remember to subscribe, because most of you guys watching and you haven't subscribed, or you watch the video and you don't give the video a thumbs up. That is important. So thumbs up the video guys is very important. That is very, very important. And please remember to follow us on Instagram at 1876moy to get a full blown of what has been happening in our everyday life. Anyway, let's get right into today's video. So guys, the good news is we are finally after so many months, after so many years of starting our YouTube channel, we are finally being monetized. We are now monetized guys, but the thing is guys, please to be careful. Don't let this happen to you. Sorry, don't let this happen to you guys. When I got the email from YouTube stating that we are monetized, guys, I was so excited. I decided to do a video. No, I already have the video. I decided to go ahead and post a video immediately, or not immediately, but a couple days after, not realizing that in this video there was music playing in the background. And because of how excited I was, I didn't hear the music in the background guys, and I edited the full video. The video, it was about 16 minutes long, or somewhere in the teens, and I edited the full video guys, post it on YouTube, and waiting, because I did all the requirement for ads, the AdSense and all that. Posted the video now and waiting for the video to upload, only to see I got copyright claim. Guys, I was so shocked. I even went back in the video and trying to figure out what did I do wrong, because I only remember that I used video from the editing app in this video, and I didn't hear. I used music from the editing app in this video, and I didn't hear any music playing. There was a song playing because they were dancing in this video, so there was music playing. But I remember putting a music over this music. But at the end of the video, there was another music playing, and I didn't hear this music none at all whatsoever, because I was so excited about posting my first video just to see the dollar sign to start move over. Because people, if y'all know, if you have been following this channel, we have been struggling for a while now to reach the 1K. We finally reached the 1K, and now we have been struggling to reach the watch hours. We have finally reached the watch hours, and thanks to the many persons that have been helping, we have finally reached the watch hours. So I wanted to post a video just to see what happened next. And guys, I wanted to get copyright claim, so I went back in and trying to put another music over this music. It took about 3-4 days before that could eventually happen. So I started to make money on this video, but half of the money is not mine, half of the money goes to the copyright owner. People, I was so disappointed in myself, because I'm saying to myself, I'm the one that doing the editing. I watched this video over and over and over, and I didn't hear this song playing at the end of the video. So my thing is guys, you have to be careful whenever you reach this point in your YouTube journey, or even before you reach this point in your YouTube journey. You have to be keen. You have to listen keenly. Listen to the words of listen to your video while editing your video, because the least little music, you can get a copyright strike, or you can get a copyright claim, and you don't even know it. Because if I wasn't that excited and didn't pay attention on my video, then I would have got this copyright claim. But luckily I was able to cover the music. I was able to replace this music with another song. So I'm so excited. All the money that would be made on this video will go to me, will go to my family and I, and I'm super excited. So that's my thing, guys. That's all I wanted to say to you. We are finally monetized, and if it wasn't because of you guys, this wouldn't be possible. So we just want to say thank you to every person that ever watched a video, that ever shared a video, that ever commented on a video, that ever liked a video. We appreciate you guys, and we thank you very much. And we are trying to be as consistent as possible, guys. Just bear with us, and we just want to look forward to creating lots more memories with you guys as you guys continue to enjoy what we're putting out. And remember, guys, please to go over to my Instagram at 1876moy. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We'll be keeping a monetization party. I will put it up in my community so you guys will know exactly when we'll be doing so. But we just want to say thank you, guys. We are finally monetized. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't have made it thus far. I'm not going to call any names because you guys are a lot. You guys are a million. I don't want to call any name because I don't want to believe out anybody. But we just want to say thank you, guys. We finally made it to. We finally got monetized, and I'm so excited. We just want to come to show our appreciation and show you guys that you won't regret following our YouTube journey. You won't regret watching all our videos. We have enough more, plenty more things in store for you guys. So continue to stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in another video. Bye.